This is a really good thing, and I think that's why we're all here.
My name's Doug Bigelow. I'm the executive director of Tread Lightly. We're out here in one of the most iconic trails in all of Moab at Easter Jeep 2025. This is a top of the world trail, beautiful out today, blue skies, great views. And most importantly, we're out here to make sure that we're protecting our public lands. We're doing some great trail stewardship projects today to make sure that folks are actually staying on the trail and they're being responsible and recreating the right way. So really appreciate Neil and Yukon Gear Axle out here supporting us today, all of our sponsors and all the volunteers that have showed up. So thanks again, Neil.
This is perfect. I mean, literally we came in here, 30 minutes ago?
Yeah.
And all of this has been built since we drove in. I mean, it's just like in 30 minutes, it's just going, you've got 30 cars, 50 people up here.
50 people up here. So many folks that have come together to understand that public lands are so important and vital, not only to our community, but also to our businesses. And being here supporting to make sure that the ground's being used the right way, it's important and impactful, and those folks are showing up, which is really cool.
From our side, this is just giving back. Everybody that I see around here, a lot of people that I see are running my products. And if it wasn't for the work that you guys are doing and us taking care of this, somebody just shut it down and I got to find somewhere else to sell those things.
That's it.
So the work that you guys do from an industry standpoint helps everybody. And we appreciate it.
I appreciate it immensely. There is great opportunity within our public lands to do so many great projects.
Yep.
And having you as a supporter, Neil, and Yukon Axle and Gear and the family of brands, that's incredibly important and impactful for our mission.
So Neil called me up and said he was helping out Tread Lightly with building some fences and asked me if I wanted to help. And of course I said, anything Neil wants, I'm there to help out. So
Always have been.
Neil, it was great building fences with you today.
It was.
It was fun because normally we go four-wheel and now we're building
It's almost
some
like
fences.
counseling when we say we're building fences. But we literally, look at this, we built fences today.
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out.
Oh, it was a great time.
Yep.
You know, it's important. Tread Lightly's out here basically protecting this area. This is one of my favorite trails at Easter Jeep every year that we run because Top of the World's
Top of the World
end.
is epic.
Yeah. So to be able to protect this, I think was a good idea. I'm super happy that you guys supported them doing it, and I think we had tons of fun.
We did, and what was supposed to be 4 hours is 2 hours, so we've got time.
Yeah, so now
Wanna
we can go run the trail.
Okay,
Be perfect.
let's go up to the top.
Yep.